Southview hosting Bowling Green lacrosse tonight. Didn't matter if it was raining. First quarter, Cougs up one. Bobcats, Jimmy Gavarone drives, scores. He had five goals tonight for the Bobcats. In the second, though, Southview now down one. Sawyer Perry from his knees to Joey Stanley. They score. Ties the game at 4. We go to the third, and that is where the Cougars would dominate. Man advantage, Kyle Scheel over to Stanley, all Southview in the second half. Cougars blow out the Bobcats in that second stanza, 17-9. Ben Wilcox has more with Kyle Scheel.
I was really happy with the outcome. We kept our composure, and it led to a lot of man-up goals and a lot of new people getting looks out there. I think the seniors really left their mark, and we were all just trying to live up to them, and I think we're just putting things together and doing a good job at that.
It's got to feel good. You get now after a big win, you get spring break, and you have to imagine you're going to feel pretty comfortable going forward.
Yeah, off a win like that, I think we got a lot of confidence. We got a lot of goals out of that game, and we're going to keep on pushing forward.